everyone and welcome to SoundCodex. In today's video we'll see how to embed a sound source into game objects. Let's say we want to place 10 trees in a scene, and for each tree we want to hear the sound of birds singing and leaves moving in the wind. Placing manually all these objects could be very time demanding. So how can we solve this problem? The easiest way to do it is to create a blueprint class. Now let's move to Unreal and see how can we do it. To embed a sound source into game actors, we need to create a new blueprint class. To do so, we click on Add Import, then Blueprint Class. We select Actor and we give it an appropriate name with no spaces. Once you've done, double-click on the new created class to see the blueprint editor. Search in the content browser for the 3D mesh you want to use. I'm going to be using a lamp mesh. Make sure to select your 3D object, then move to the blueprint editor. Click on Add Component. Then select Static Mesh and in parentheses you should see the name of your 3D object. Now we need to do the same process with the audio file. The audio file I want to use, it's a buzzing sound like this. Make sure to have your audio file selected. Move to the blueprint editor, add component, and search for audio. Now we are almost done. We need to check two more things. The first one is that this technique works only with looping audio files and sound cue. In my case, I decided to use a simple audio file, so I need to check if it's looping or not. To do so, we can double click on the audio icon under sound and search for the looping voice, and it's checked, so we are okay. Now let's override the attenuation and define a few parameters for the attenuation. Once you've done with all your settings, move on the top left corner and click on compile. Now we are ready to go. We can search for our object in the content browser. Here it is, my embedded sound. We can drag and drop in the viewport. We can scale, rotate, and move it around and have fun while listening our newly created embedded sounds. As always, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.